Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to backtrack on Bumble. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bumble application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Bumble application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the people interface. So if you've accidentally swiped left or right on Bumble and if you want to backtrack it, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on this curved arrow icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen right next to the icon for filter. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So in order to backtrack, you need the Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium, otherwise you'll not be able to backtrack. So if you have Bumble Boost or Bumble Premium, after you tap on the arrow, it will be undone and you can take the another look. So like this, you'll be able to backtrack. So that is how you backtrack on Bumble. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.